In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wix e-commerce website. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly what to click first to get your store idea turned into a working online shop. Take a moment to open your web browser and go to Wix so you can follow along on screen. First, click Create New Site. This is the starting point where Wix will ask what kind of site you want to build. You will usually see a clear button on the main page, and it is typically the best option if you are beginning from scratch. After you click it, give it a second to load the next area where Wix will let you choose a website type and an editor. Next, click Wix Harmony Editor. This step matters because the editor you choose affects how you build and manage your site. Wix Harmony Editor is designed to help you create a polished layout more smoothly. When you select it, Wix will open the tools and templates that guide your setup. If you see a few editor options, make sure you choose Wix Harmony Editor specifically, since that is what this tutorial is using. Now you will be prompted to pick Let's Go or Skip Chat. This part is simple, but it helps to understand why it appears. Wix may show a short onboarding chat or a quick starting path. If you want to move forward right away, choose Let's Go. If you prefer to skip any chat and jump directly into the build, choose Skip Chat. Either way, the important outcome is that you move past onboarding and into the site creation flow.
Mama.
After you have chosen your start option, enter Create an e-commerce website for selling products online. This line is your instruction to Wix. It tells the website builder what you want to create, which sets the direction for the content and layout. As you type it, look for the text input box or prompt field where Wix expects your instructions. Once the phrase appears correctly in the box, double-check for spelling and make sure it is clearly describing that you are selling products online. Once the instruction is entered, click Generate or go to Dashboards. This is where Wix starts creating your store structure. You may see a button labeled Generate, or you may be taken to a dashboard area that lets you manage what was created. If you see Generate, clicking it usually triggers the creation process, and you may need to wait a few moments while Wix builds the initial setup. If you are redirected to Dashboards instead, that also means your next step is to review what Wix created and continue from there. At this point, you should stay on the same screen and watch for confirmation that the site has been generated. If a loading screen appears, allow it time to finish. When it completes, you will typically see a dashboard or a builder view that represents your new e-commerce website project. From here, you can begin customizing your pages, setting up product sections, and preparing your store layout to match your products. Finally, take a quick moment to orient yourself within the Wix environment. If you landed on a dashboard, look for navigation options related to your site, your pages, and your e-commerce features. If you're in an editor view, look for the main layout area where you can make changes and add sections. This early orientation helps you feel confident as you continue building your store in later steps. And that covers everything you need to know to get your Wix e-commerce website started. And that is all there is to it.